Michael Nagy here with Jiggy Jag TV, and I'm here with the Rain Within. How you doing today?
Doing good, man.
So you want to tell us about the band for anyone who doesn't know?
I was in a band, still am in a band called Morte, been doing it for many years. Decided to go in the direction of synthpop and synthwave with a solo project, and it has worked out really well. I've been doing it for a few years and took off, signed to Negative Gain Productions. Really wonderful label, been very good to me.
Awesome.
That's where we're at.
So how does it differ from Morte? I mean, you obviously said it's got more of that synth-pop and stuff.
Yeah, like it actually ties into some of the earlier Morte sound. Yeah, just there's no guitars. It's not heavy in the same way that Bella can be. It's dancier.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Now the production, I know you got some like lights and gloves and stuff, right?
I like my lasers and the occasional severed leg. Severed leg.
That's awesome. That's tons of crazy stuff here. So what are you currently working on?
Well, my latest album came out in February. It's called Atomic Eyes, and it's done really well for me. In the first week it was out, it outsold my entire catalog.
Wow.
So the album really did well, so I'm still touring with that album.
What do you think made that happen?
I just think it all came together on that album. You know, just as things really clicked. Found the heart of what I was doing and was able to show it to people. And so far the reaction's been really great. So.
Yeah, cool. Now, this is just one show, or is this a tour right now?
Now, this is just a one-out show. We did this special because, you know, Qxts, we love it up here. They've always been really good to us. They're doing this 20th anniversary for Ben and Damian. We wanted to be there for that. And when they asked us, we were like, of course. Absolutely.
Cool. So do you have a tour schedule?
There's some stuff in the works right now that I can't talk about just yet. But yeah, there's some things coming up.
Cool. And another album coming up? Or?
Yes, I'm working on that right now as well. Like, about halfway done with the next one, but I don't have a release date or anything like that yet. I'm still promoting Atomic Eyes, so, you know, I got some time.
What kind of direction do you think the new album's going to go?
It's a little darker so far. It still sounds like The Rain Within. You know, I don't want to stray too far from what makes The Rain Within special, but so far it's a little darker.
Still dancey.
Still dancey, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part, you know.
Oh yeah.
Moving around, it's really good live.
Thanks.
So yeah. What are some of your singles for people to look up?
Like the Devil is probably the biggest song for the band, and Rain has been another really great one. So this would be two to start with.
And Murder's my personal favorite.
Nice. That was the big one off my last album. We did a video for that, so you can find that on YouTube.
Is that your own video?
So far, only video. Working on another one right now.
Awesome. So now people look you up online, find you, how do they do that?
Just do a web search, The Rain Within. We're on, Facebook.com/The Rain Within. You can find us on Bandcamp. So we're pretty easy to track down.
So kind of any social